the fact that we've done this, been able to do it, and we're about to give it to Young, and he became like a brother to me inside the house, and he still is now outside the house.
Hindi, nakasali ako sa sana si May. Dalawa din tayo. Tandaan mo? Dalawa din tayo.
Naalala ko pa ba lahat ng mga pinapangarap natin?
Yes, yes.
Gusto ko malaman mo na kahit anong nangyari, nagpapasalamat ako dahil hindi ka humiwalay sa atin. Ganun pa rin yung kaibigan natin, hindi ka nagbago. Ito bibigay namin sa'yo. Deserve na deserve.
You know, selfie for a house. Yes. You know, ilang beses we did so. We never gave it to anyone.